Each summer, undergraduates from across the country join research labs at LSU Health Shreveport for 8 weeks of intense hands-on training across a number of departments and research centers.
Summit is the summer undergraduate mentorship in metabolism, innovation, and transcriptomics. And it's basically an 8-week summer research program for undergraduate students within the Center for Post-Transcriptional Regulation. And that's a new center we have on campus that's funded by the NSF.
The summer program is a great opportunity to see what you want to do and have a little bit more freedom with your research experience. You have an opportunity to make your own mark on a project and pursue something that maybe you haven't had the responsibility of pursuing before, a project that's a new experience for you, that's outside of your comfort zone.
The Department of Pharmacology, Toxicology, and Neuroscience offers the Summer Undergraduate Pharmacology Experience in Research, or SUPER, which is designed to prepare students for success in research-intensive doctoral programs.
The CCDS hosts 3 research programs over the summer. We have 2 undergraduate research programs, the Curious program, which is funded by the CCDS and hosts 10 students. The AHA SURE, which is funded by the American Heart Association and hosts 3 students, and that's part of a wider national network. And then we have the MS Cardio program, and that is for medical students. They have enrichments that are more related to their career in medicine, such as learning more about how to apply or prepare for residency and fellowships.
The Department of Microbiology and Immunology hosts 2 programs. The Pathogen-Host Interactions and Immunology Research and Education program, or FIRE Fellowship, offers students the chance to experience cutting-edge research led by nationally recognized leaders in microbiology and immunology.
So the Fundación Barria de la Maza is a non-profit organization. It's located in Galicia, that is the northwest area of Spain. And they give fellowships for undergrads, master programs, MBA programs, as well as postdoctoral programs. We decided to establish this partnership and have an undergraduate opportunity for Spanish students to come here to LSU Health Shreveport and perform science in a top-notch institute where they can actually have a project, be leaders, and get ownership of that project. And learn what it means to be a researcher.
I'm really happy to be here. I see research more as an option now than I did before. And I think really an amazing opportunity for Spaniards to come here and see how really high-level research works, which is something that is actually hard to see in Spain.
And the Office for Student and Community Engagement hosts REACH.
REACH is an 8-week research program that we do over the summer. It stands for Research Experiences to Advance Careers in Healthcare. And so this program is designed for prospective medical students that are entering into the last stages of their college years to be able to work with us here at LSU Health Shreveport and gain some valuable research opportunities. And we provide them with that experience by partnering them with a researcher on campus for 8 weeks to allow them to get up to 320 research hours.
I am a pre-med student currently attending Tulane University, and as I was progressing through my pre-med track, I really wanted to learn more and experience research, and I knew that if I joined this program, it would be such an amazing experience here. And as so far during my time here has been absolutely wonderful.
For more information about these and other research programs at LSU Health Shreveport, visit the Student Research Programs page on the LSU Health Shreveport website.